Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Wallpaper Alive from Steam and launching it once. This registers the app with the OS. Once done, make sure you quit other wallpaper programs so they don't compete for GPU resources. You should also update your graphics drivers and set your desktop refresh rate to match your monitor, because synchronized refresh reduces stutter. Now, open Wallpaper Alive and sign in if required. You're ready to pick your first live wallpaper and import it into the app. You'll now import and configure the wallpaper itself. Click Import, choose your MP4, WebM, or project package, and add it to the collection. Once added, assign it to the correct monitor, single, span, or mirror, and pick performance mode to balance visuals and CPU/GPU usage. Then tweak playback settings like loop, mute audio, start on boot, and an FPS cap to save power. Also, check priority. Set Wallpaper Alive to low priority if you game or stream, so finish by testing. Switch apps and launch a full-screen game to ensure the wallpaper pauses or reduces activity. This preserves performance. If you notice stutter, lower the wallpaper FPS, enable the app's performance mode, or reduce resolution and codec complexity to lighten decoding load. If the wallpaper fails to appear, verify overlay permissions and that Windows Spotlight or another manager isn't overriding the desktop. Make sure Wallpaper Alive runs with appropriate privileges and is set to start with Windows if you want persistent wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.